Hey guys, welcome to my channel, All Things GarageBand. I got an awesome show in store for you tonight. I'm going to show you guys how to fade out your song. Just some songs don't sound good when you just abruptly stop them. So I'm going to show you guys how to go about fading out your song like in 3 easy steps. I'm going to be using the GarageBand, or the recording program, GarageBand. It's you can use any recording program to follow along. They all work basically the same. It comes free with your iMac, your iPhone, and iPad, and they all work together. You can transfer files back and forth in between them. And the coolest thing about all this is that you can use your iPad or iPhone as a MIDI controller, a MIDI keyboard, or a MIDI drum pad, like I like to use, and record it live on your iMac and play it on your iPad or iPhone. It's pretty sick. And you can also stop and record and rewind and erase and all that stuff with your iPad across the room when you're recording, instead of like in a recording booth. Instead of running back to the computer and the mouse and the keyboard every time, you have to stop. Like I like to record my takes over and over again until I got it perfect, and the whole thing. I can't just do a take and then part of it, then it's crazy. Anyways, OCD stuff. It really wastes time, but hey, that's the way I like to do things. So anyways, without ado, let's get started. Yow! Go ahead and open that guy, and I'm going to be using my new release to show you how to fade out of a song. It's called Pour Me. It's I've been playing for 30 and recording for 30 plus years. It's just a kind of combination of what I've been doing and learning and all of my favorite influences. Probably the best work I've done to date. So please check it out if you get a chance. You'll probably hear it at the beginning and the end of this video, but you can check out all my music on my YouTube music channel at Jeremy Haws. It's Haws. Please let me know what you think. But anyways, so I'm going to play the end of this so you can hear what it sounds like. It's just going to abruptly stop, and some songs just don't sound good abruptly stopping, so I'm going to show you how to fade out. So here you go. Sorry. Whoop, what just happened? Sorry, let me do that again. Motherfucker. Play it from right there, so you know it's okay. All right, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and play this song for you, so you can hear the end. It's just going to abruptly stop. I'm going to show you how to fade out after that. Okay. See, just abruptly stop. So now I'm going to show you guys how to create a master track so you can fade out the whole song at one go. So we're going to go up to left click on mix, and we're going to first off just hit show my automations. And then we're going to go. You can do it either hit show automations or just create volume fade out on main output. That's the one you want to actually click for this, but either one will work. So now, as you can see, I'm checking out where my rhythm guitars are, the whole mess of the band. Those are the vocals at the bottom, where it's at. Okay, so that's about where we want to start fading out, close to that. So see how it automatically fades out for you when you click that master track fade out, but sometimes your song will be longer, or there'll be like nothing at the end. So instead of shortening that like you can get rid of these measures. We're just going to make it fade out a little sooner by grabbing these dots, see that, and just pulling the whole thing over. So that's about right there. Okay, cool. So now it should sound like a semi-slow fade out. So please go ahead and check this out. Yeah. See what I'm talking about? Pretty sick. Pretty sick, huh? Very simple. I know automations, when you first see them, it's kind of scary because you're trying to learn a recording DAW, and it's just so much to learn your first time. But once you learn the basic steps of any recording DAW, the next thing you should learn is automations, because they're very important to your music. Not just fading in and out of song, but using automations to just make a certain part of a song, like track louder, like especially like vocals, when you Sometimes you sing a perfect take, a track of vocals, and then there's just one part, like a couple of words you can't hear very well. And you can just go in and turn those words up. It's pretty sick. I have other videos showing you how to do that at the link at the bottom. Please check out the rest of my videos on all things GarageBand, and also at all things music 77x, where I show you how to do all things music. Tell me what you think, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys learned something. Have an awesome day. I'll see you on the flip side. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll have more videos like it coming out. Please leave some comments. Let me know what you guys are more, if you guys liked it, or if there's stuff that I left out, or anything else you'd like me to make a tutorial on GarageBand. Or I have another channel called All Things Music 77x, where I'll teach you how to do all things music, from anything from playing your guitars, different styles, and bass, drums, vocals, and recording it, and publishing it, and getting paid for it, and all that stuff. I'll show you all the different tricks I've learned in the last 30 plus years. Yeah, please let me know what you guys think. I could use the support. See you guys on the flip side. Ow!